You can't change everybody. You can only change the people that are willing to accept the change. This post that I found is from someone, maybe you know him, maybe you don't know him. His name is Brad Lee. Give me a comment in the comments here if you know who Brad Lee is. I'm very curious. Who knows Brad Lee and who does not? But he's a fun guy. So he pops up here and there with stuff. And his post was short and sweet. It says, "Sometimes I wonder if the people who unfollowed me in 2020 are starting to realize I was right." And then on the top, the caption says, "I forgive you. Come back." It's really, really funny. Like when I saw this post, it made me think of all the people when Tom and I started that we recognized and we're like, holy, we should really reach out to these people because they could use what we're doing because what we have now wasn't in existence then. And it made me think like, I wonder if those people back then are realizing we were right, that they probably could have used some coaching. It ties back to a feeling, a thing that Tom and I have really embraced, which is fail faster, right? Like you got to try stuff. We don't know if things will work out. We have no clue. We didn't know if this business would work out. I didn't know if having a puppy would work out. Like these things work out because you work them out. So when you have this ability to fail faster, like we have, like many of our clients have, that gives you the knowledge that you need to make the next decisions. When Bradley said, like, I'm wondering if those people who unfollowed me, and for us, I wonder if those people who kind of said, no, I can't even consider doing this now, I wonder if they're realizing we were right. I started to look at this. I looked at like, where are those people at that we thought we could help and they stopped? They either stopped and they're like, no, I can't continue with you, or I can't even start with you. And I look at them and most of them are in the same exact place when we said, hey, I think you need some help. If you're not willing to do something about it, why would you expect it to change? And I feel bad for those people. That's where I'm at, is like, I worry about them and I wish I can get through to them. But for some people, it's just, hey, it is what it is. And I'm sure in whatever business you're running out there, you've had those people where you're like, if I could only get my hands around them, I can change their lives. I can make their business simpler. I can make their lives better. I can allow them to have more fun. In whatever it is you do, I could fix their taxes. I could, make their investments work better. I could, heal their body. Whatever it is, I know you have that feeling. And this is why that post resonated with me, is because it started to make me feel bad. Like, oh man, there's all these missed opportunities. I can't let that get to me, right? You can't change everybody. You can only change the people that are willing to accept the change. And we've even recently had a client of ours that stopped working with us. And I said I was very happy he made that decision. He paid for a program that came to an end and he didn't want to continue on. And I told him I was relieved because this person was uncoachable. And it didn't mean they were uncoachable when we did the work, but moving forward, there was nothing else we could do for them. Like they were just stuck in a position. So sometimes, even though you can't make the difference in someone's life that you want to, you have to accept that they're in a situation that doesn't allow for that. And that's what this made me realize. It's like, all those people that we know, Tom, man, if we could only get our hands on them, what we could do for them.